In this video, I'll show you some powerful tricks and tips for prototyping mobile and web applications, and how I use Figma to bring ideas to life quickly. So, within that, enough talk, let's get right into this video. So, I'm in my new page. This is not Figma, by the way, but I use Canva as a demonstration tool that I wanted to showcase to you on what is prototyping. So, prototyping is where you design, it demonstrates on what the web design and application is going to look like potentially. And also it uses to gather users' feedback. So for example, if you're presenting a design to your stakeholders from a large gathering or a large conference meeting and wanted to scale the business of the company, then this design will probably help you improve and evolve that design and can help the company's business without saving any cost or additional time. Right, so here is my design of the input field. So there's a username and the password. And right now I'm going to duplicate one of the designs right now to see to create the register field. Let me put my quick timestamp real quick and come back to see the overall result. Right now, I'm currently decreasing the borders and including the new input field, which is the password and the re-enter password, so that the user will be able to configure their password without being forgotten. Okay, so right now I've completed the register field, and this is what it looks like. Mainly, I've included both two new input fields, and it's so simple to make. It only takes a couple of steps to actually understand and remember what specific tools that you need for a simple web design like this. The main topic of this video is to showcase my web design by using Figma and how to understand these tools and concepts when using this app, especially when prototyping your web application. Before I start, please like and subscribe, turn your notification bell so you don't miss a video. I'm trying to reach 100 subscribers by the end of 2025. That would be appreciated. Thank you. Right, so here is my project page so far, and this is the design of what prototyping looks like. So as you can see here, this is my new logo design of my workout, and additionally, I included both the login page and the register page. So this one here, I include different types of designs,
Okay.
both for each. And once a user logs into the page, it redirects me to this page where I've included all the workouts, daily workouts for users to, of course, choose and customize. And mainly, it's a layout where I made it casual, made it simple with the same colors and the same input field and the text as well. So I kept it consistent with my design. One tip that I would recommend is to keep the colors consistent. So in my design, I chose the color white, orange, and w- black background so that the contrast is clear and the abstract is concise. And also, I use those images from this extensive app called Unsplash, where I can find lots of images from there. I can explain more about it in my next video. So, as you can see here, this is the login page where I designed this login page so that the user could be able to enter their username. And if they don't have an account, they would register it, like I said, so that the user will be able to log in from that account and have access. Most importantly, I also include a logo and icons. to make the contrast look stand out. Overall, the purpose of prototyping is to bring out the concept in design and will help experiment different designs using the SDLC, the software development lifecycle, which is crucial in web development and in mobile development. I'm going to conclude of this video today. This was me demonstrating the purpose of prototyping and its aspects, and I showcase you all other tips and tools that you use for Figma. In my next video, I will continue exploring through Figma and showcasing you all the tools and technologies I've been using to design. Hit a like, subscribe, take care, peace.